What is up, guys and gals? It is May 31st, 2018. Yes, the last day of the month. And with the last day of the month, it looks like profits on everything are back up. But I think that's more in relation to the fact that the coins are starting to go back up, which went through a good little spell there. Had some people scared, sold off. Just remember, got to keep on mining. But now this is the daily mining hash rates video. If my phone would stop beeping, that would be great. Actually, are we recording audio? Yeah, because we messed up audio the other day. By the way, I had like probably 10 people email me. Yes, the audio was broken, so Spartan Miner did a voiceover. That was Spartan Miner. Confirmed. No Illuminati. But let's get back to it. If you're new to the channel, I do this every single day, or I try to. This is a breakdown of each and every single card, one of them, so you can extrapolate out the data and, you know, times it by 6 for a 6-card rig or vice versa. But the GT 1030, for some reason, my little Excel thing's broken. This is actually green. It was at 24 cents. Now we're at 26 cents a day, or 3,500 Satoshis. The GTX 1052 gigs at 57 cents a day. It was at 55 cents a day. The 1050 Ti is at 62 cents a day. We were at 60 cents a day. The 1066 gigs at 96. Was at 94. The 1063 gigs at 97 on Equihash. So Equihash is technically more profitable right now than Ethereum compared to 94 cents. The GTX 1070 8 gigs at $1.54. It was at $1.49. The 1080 8 gigs at $1.88, and it was at $1.80. The RX 564 gig is at 63 cents, and it was at 61 cents. 570 is still not in. It should be in either tomorrow or Monday. Hopefully I can get in tomorrow. The RX 588 gigs at $1.39. It was at $1.36. And then the RX 290X is at $1.30, and it was at $1.27. So yes, everything is up. So if you wanted to know, these are the algorithms I'm mining. This is the speed I'm getting on each of my cards. Roughly, it's kind of averaged out. And this is the Satoshis per day over here. So if you want to take a closer look at that, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's keep on rolling. So the deal of the day, and the thing that I keep coming back to, I'm like on the fence about it, are these GTX 1070 Ti minis. They're 8 gig 1070 Ti's from Zotac. They're dual fan. It looks like they got some heat pipes in there. They're dual slot. I mean, they look good. They really do. They got a back plate. That's cool. Little video. What's the video about, actually? Zotac. Alright, it's just a generic video. I better turn that off before I get copyrighted. Not that I am monetized, so they can just take my video down. They can't take my money. Now let's go over to the rig of the day. If you want to get your rig featured on the end of a daily hash rates video, go over to the Reddit and post it up in the Brandon Coin Reddit. And there's no requirement. Some people are like, oh, you know, do I have to have a long-standing Reddit account? Nope, a brand new account will post up there. Just be careful what you post, because if it's not, keep it PG-13, guys. Okay, if it's not, it will get deleted. Now, the one we're looking at today is from Hind X Kid, and this is a 10 RX 580 gigabyte rig. Not sure if this is the way to post, but this is my 10 RX 580 gigabyte mining rig. It has a Celeron processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, with a B250 motherboard and 2 power supplies, one 750 and one 850. Currently, I'm getting 283 megahash, which is roughly 28.5 megahash for each card. If only one card is in the rig, then I get 30 megahash for that single card, but when multiple GPUs are placed, then the hash rate goes down a bit. Out of the 16 PCI slots, I plan to fill 11 of them with the same card. I have one more on the way, and we'll place this rig to the side, as it will be completed build with 11 RX 588 gig cards. Questions? If you have any questions, feel free to post, and I will try to help you guys out the best I can. Instagram is HindXKid. P.S. If anyone knows how to pump out more hashes from these cards, please let me know, because every time I use a different program to clock the cards, it always crashes my rig with the device stuck in thread error. Well, I mean, if you're getting close to 30 mega hashes, you're really kind of getting the good out of them. I only get a little bit more than that on mine. I get like 31 to 30.5. So you're not far off. Clean looking setup. I like the red USB cables. Ah, okay. This is the first time I've really seen this. See, he's got some of the cards down here faced this way, and then the cards he's got up there are faced that way. So the heat is dissipating in two different directions, right? Am I thinking about that right? No, these cards blow out the sides. I forgot. They don't blow out. These aren't blowers. Got some more pictures? Nope. Oh, that wasn't right. Wasn't right. Whoa, go back. Internet's broke today. What is this? It's another Reddit post? Okay, just another picture. Whoa, super zoomed in. Look at those gigabyte cards lighting up. Let's see. Oh, she's got a power button plugged into here. It's got a SATA running some kind of hard drive. Lots of these plugs. Not running any Molex. Don't need the power over PCI. 1 8-gig stick. Cables everywhere. Awesome rig. Thank you for sharing. Let's go to Instagram. What was that? Dang, you got a lot of followers. Alright, well I thought there was gonna be like, oh, this is Twitter. This is Twitter. My bad. Can I not find his Instagram? Oh well. Anyway, I failed at that. So I was gonna try to see if he had pictures of his mining rigs on there, but I guess y'all can figure it out if you want to. So thank you guys for watching. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin. And just a little closing statement. I saw where Nvidia announced that. Well, I don't know if Nvidia announced it, but they're talking about announcing the graphics cards in August, the new 11 series or whatever you want to call them, 20 series. So that leaves us about 5 or 6 months, roughly. No, that's less time than that. What are we in? We're in May right now? Gosh. June, July, August. So we got like 3 months. Woo! Does that mean we should stop buying 10 series graphics cards? I'm not sure. But if you're watching this and it's relatively close to anywhere between, I'd say 7 Pacific Standard or Eastern Standard Time PM and 10 PM, go ahead and jump over to the Discord. If you missed the time, join us tomorrow or the next day. I'm pretty much throughout the week, Monday through Friday, 7 PM to 10 PM. I'm going to try to be in the voice chat Discord and also the general. The general is just the like typing. So link will be down below in the description. Join the Discord. Come talk with us. I'd like to hear y'all's opinions, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Adios.